Hey Mark, Kelsey here at Mixed Digital Marketing. Thanks again for speaking with me today. Just leaving you a quick video in regards to some SEO strategies we recommend you doing to your website to help it ranking higher in Google. So we usually go over three things. The first is content, second is backlinks, third is citations. So content just refers to the words on the page. So on the home page, we recommend 1,000 to 1,500 words, and then each additional page, 500 to 750 words. And so upon looking at your homepage, you actually have a good amount of content. And so there's a little over 2,000 words here. I just pasted into a word counter, which is really good. But however, what you may want to be aware of is overstuffing some keywords. For example, personal injury lawyer. So usually in terms of keywords, we recommend doing no more than 5 of any given keyword. And so personal injury lawyer would be a particular keyword that is being searched quite a bit, and so Google doesn't like it when people have too many keywords of the same thing in their content, which is called keyword stuffing. And so here for personal injury lawyer, I'm showing that there's 7 cases of this, and so that's just one case of just being careful of the keywords that you have in your content and not overusing them, because you will be penalized by Google's algorithm and showing in some of the searches. The second thing we'll go over is backlinks. So we use the software called Ahrefs, which you're already familiar with. And so here we're able to look up your website and seeing your overall rank, which is in the millions, which is totally fine because this is literally all the websites on the internet. And then we have the URL rating, the domain rating, and some of the backlinks and keyword rankings there. So URL rating refers to the power of your site, in particular your homepage. And so it shows both the offsite SEO combined with the onsite SEO. And so because you have a very good amount of content with good internal links and onsite SEO, this is why your URL rating is pretty high at 32. And then we go to your domain rating here at 21, which is not bad, but based on the amount of referring domains, which is what we really care about, because these are the number of websites that are giving you backlinks. So you can have more than one backlink on a given site, but you're only getting power once. And so of this 150, you have 117 do follows. So that means 117 of the 150 backlinks are actually giving your website power. And so with a number like 117, which is pretty high for the amount of backlinks on the site, I would expect a number higher than 21. So this then shows me that the backlinks that you are getting are just not very powerful websites. So we want to go ahead and help you find more backlinks in that case, or whoever you're using, find more backlinks that are just more powerful, more trustworthy, and thus that they'll give you more power to your site in return. It's just kind of one big popularity contest. We want to get you as popular as possible across every website. And so here, we also see the amount of keywords that you're ranking for. It gives you a traffic percentage and then traffic value based on like the cost per click and whatnot. And so as you rank for more and more keywords at a higher clip, you'll see these numbers go up in return. So if we go to Google here, I just typed in personal injury attorney San Bernardino, and here we have the Google ad sections where people are paying a premium per click, and then we have the map pack. So the map pack is what I know you're really curious about, and so the number one thing that affects the map pack is the organic rating. And again, I mean, right now your organic rating is in the 40s, but that's primarily due to a lot of these other ones that are higher than you are either listings like Yelp or some of these other ones that show like top attorneys in the area, or are there other bigger firms that just have one of their location pages tagged, but they don't have an actual office in San Bernardino. That's why they're not popping up in the map pack. And so the second thing that it affects is citations. So citations are the online directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Facebook, and them being listed exactly as you had them set up in Google My Business. So that's very important that the business name, the address, and the phone number are set up exactly as you have it set up here. And so in regards to getting map pack rankings in some of the other locations, like your office in Rancho Cucamonga in particular, if we look at it here, we can see that now you're not in the map pack section, and that's primarily due to the lack of citations to this particular office. So just because we have a bunch of citations on your primary office, it doesn't just carry over. So we need to build up the citation foundation of your Rancho Cucamonga office, and then you will start to see it also appear in this map pack section. All right, and so I'll go over also that number one competitor that I accidental lawyer, just to kind of give you an idea of why they could be ranking higher than you in the map pack. So they are ranking higher organically. They're at number 32, which is still not very good, but it is higher than you, which in turn affects the ranking. And so here you can see in their website, although it doesn't look any better than yours, it does have a considerable amount of content, and so they're also have built a trustworthy location page, because this is not even their homepage. This is just a location page that they're ranking for. And so they've built a big enough content backing here on this location, which is helping support their ranking in the map pack. And then the citations that they have for this particular location is also really good, and that's why they're ranking really well. And if we throw it into Ahrefs here, so I threw in the iAccident lawyer, and here you can see that their website rank is higher. So although the URL rating is not nearly as good as yours, because their homepage content is not as intensive, which you've done a great job with that, but their backlink domain power is higher. So although it's not much, yours was 21 compared to 28, they have that kicker here in that domain rating. So here you can see that they have 231 referring domains, but only 113 do follows. You actually have more do follow backlinks than they do. But however, their do follow backlinks obviously are producing more power, more trust to their website. That's why they're ranking higher organically and in the map pack. And so those are some strategies we recommend you doing to your website to help with ranking higher in Google. If you want to learn more about what we can do, you can visit www.mixeddigitalmarketing.com. Thank you.